is this going to flower? What should you do? What's happening with this big leaf macrophylla hydrangea? And because we're in a cold climate, we don't know what's going to happen to these buds, but you definitely don't do anything until like May, okay? By which point, if they're going to green up, they will have. If they don't, you take them all the way down to the ground. Meanwhile, do you see the difference in color?
Mm-hmm.
Okay, so these are dead. Nothing's going to come off of these.
Okay.
So you get rid of these anytime, all the way down. The benefit of cleaning all this out is it leaves room for the new growth to push out.
Okay.
So that new growth, if you have a hybrid, okay, like an endless summer or something, or even a serrata, which is a different kind of hydrangea, that new growth comes up, okay? Then it gets buds on those. That's what you want.
Okay.
They didn't bloom last year. I don't know what's going to go on this year, especially because, you know, it's cold and it's warm and it's cold, whatever. If it doesn't bloom, it also could be because the soil isn't acidic enough.
Okay.
So that's an issue. So you could also try fertilizing with a soil acidifier.
Okay.
Now, then if it doesn't bloom, forget it. Off with its head.
Okay.
Try something different.
Yep.